Third grade reading, Unit 4, pre-assessment. Read the story, The Shoemaker and the Elves. When you're done, you'll answer these 3 questions. I'll read the story to you, and then I'll read each question. You can pause and re-listen to any part of this video at any time. The Shoemaker and the Elves. Once upon a time, there lived a poor shoemaker and his wife. The shoemaker worked very hard, and he was always honest with his customers. He sometimes gave away shoes to people who needed them, but he still could not earn enough money for his family. One night, the shoemaker cut out pieces of leather. He planned to sew them into shoes in the morning. When he awoke, however, the shoes were already made. His customers offered to pay him extra for the shoes. The next night, the shoemaker once again cut out pieces of leather, and when he woke, they were once again sewn into shoes. He and his wife decided to stay up at night to see who was making the shoes. They discovered several elves hard at work. As a thank you, the shoemaker asked his wife to make them new clothes. The elves did not return after this, but they promised the shoemaker good fortune in the future. It's okay to mark your connections, your questions, sketch what you visualize, and make inferences right on this paper if you need to. If you need to listen to the story again, please do. When you're ready to answer the questions, go to the next slide. As I read each question, feel free to stop, and then you'll answer it on your own paper. Question 1. Which comprehension strategy did you use? Circle 1. Visualizing, connection, question, inference, prediction. Explain your comprehension strategy. Go ahead and pause and answer question 1 on your own paper. Then press play again. Question 2. What is the main idea of this story? Pause and write your answer on your own paper. When you are done, press play. Question 3. What is the moral of this story? I don't know. What does moral mean? Good things come to those who help others. The elves helped the shoemaker, so he helped them. Making shoes is fun. Go ahead and pause and mark your answer on your paper by putting an X next to your answer choice.